Good morning, Pawleys Island peeps. Today is... What is today? What day of the week is today? Gosh, it's Friday. June 4th, 2021. And it is raining pretty darn good. Winds from the south. You can see the flag blowing. Smell a little bit of Georgetown. Lisa Cook born. How's it going? It's been a while. Welcome back. We're having some pretty good storms this morning. So we're hunkered down, sitting on the path a little bit here. I'm not going to go out there because the lightning is actually really close. So I want to be careful. Even though I do have a height advantage, I don't want to be the tallest thing out there. Waves are 2 to 3 footers today, and they're about 6 seconds apart. They're moving pretty good. It's actually a 1-star surfing day. $73 degrees. High today is going to be about 83. The water temperature is 76. We've missed you, Lisa. So it's coming down pretty good. I got the coolest thing from Home Depot last night for about $49. It's this contraption that is so cool. It looked like it was, I should have taken a picture of it and put it in the comments, but it is so cool. We put it in our bedroom last night, and basically what it is a little mini air conditioner. You put water in it, and it has these lights, and it makes this noise, kind of like a fan does, but it's a dehumidifier. And the colors are just amazing. It has this ambient light. Kind of looks like a little UFO in your room. But it's really cool. And I don't know the name of it. I'll call it a little UFO contraption dehumidifier. air conditioner thingy. But I am so excited about it. I want one in every room. It's really cool. Yeah, of the year, there's only been a couple of days in a full year where it's been like this, where it's not safe to walk out there. And everybody pretty much knows that. There's no one out there. That's good. Not a soul out here. Sunrise was a couple minutes ago, y'all. I'm going to zoom in on a wave because the waves are pretty exciting. There are some white caps offshore a little bit. Are you ready for some good news? I got some good news for you here. James 1:26. That's James 1:26. He says, if you claim to be religious, but you don't control your tongue, you're fooling yourself, and your religion is worthless. If you claim to be religious and you don't control your tongue, you are fooling yourself and your religion is worthless. What do y'all think of that one? For some of us, that's a hard one to hear. Do any of y'all struggle with words? Have you convinced yourself you're just honest? I just say what I think. I'm honest. At least they know exactly where I'm coming from. We have all kinds of excuses. We have a way of patting ourselves on the back sometimes. I do have a way of patting myself on the back sometimes instead of looking at the truth. The truth is, Dave, sometimes you just need to shut your mouth. If Lisa was here, she would. I can hear Lisa now. Amen. Silence is golden. Wise words from a wise man right there. William lost a close friend. He's lost a lot of friends, and even some of that are younger than he is. I don't mean to make that sound so amazing that people are younger than he is. But if you can right now, show him some love. William Page is our brother. He's been coming on here for a year, and we got to visit with him when he came to the beach. If you can right now, show him some love. Do some hearts and some thumbs up. Sometimes life is tough, especially when we lose people we love. But there's a promise, and he's aware of that promise. A goodness promise. So, show William some love right now. At some point in our lives, we all have to deal with it, with others that we love that pass before us. But you're not alone, William. Got a little break in the clouds. Thank you, Steve. Christine says something pretty profound here. She says, we all struggle at times. It's hard to put the words back into a jar. That's true. Have any of you ever had someone that you didn't realize that you had said something that really hurt their feelings, or you didn't think it was that big of a deal? But then years later, they come back to you and they say, you know, when you said that, it really hurt my feelings, and I haven't been the same since. Any of you ever had that happen? That is so hard to understand, but it's such an opportunity for healing that they were able to be honest and tell you. Our plants and lawns are happy. That's true. So Lisa's going to be on here by herself, I believe, Sunday morning and Monday morning. Maybe she can get Holly on here with her. But I'm going to Austin, Texas to drive some new Ford Broncos. So that's pretty exciting. So I'll periodically be giving you some live videos from Austin. It's really coming down now. It's funny, it's cleared up a little bit behind me. To the west, I guess. And to the east, it's pouring. And south, it's pouring. I'm going to walk this way a little bit. So I've prayed to God for wisdom. I pray to God for wisdom a lot. Right? So that I have the right words to say. But I don't remember praying to God for wisdom to have no words to say. Like, tell me when to just be quiet. And I think today's good news is kind of dealing with that. I think. One of the things that I'm learning is it's okay to say, I don't know. If someone is wanting to debate about deep theological things, I don't have to have incredible words. Sometimes it's okay to say, I don't know. tomorrow we're going to be singing right there at First Avenue, because it's the first Saturday at First Avenue. So make sure you join us for that. Tide's going out. Low tide's a couple hours from now. I think it's around 10:30. And it's going to be off and on like this today a lot. Yeah, low tide's at 10:11, and then high tide's at 4:33. Then as the tide pushes back in this afternoon, the waves should be pretty darn good. They're going to be 4-footers. Alright, y'all, I'm signing out. Have an incredible Friday. May God bless you. May God keep you. May God help you shush. And help me shush today when I feel like I have to come back with something. I don't. So bless you with the wisdom to keep your mouth shut. Alright, I'm signing out. It's coming down. It's raining like cats and dogs right now. We'll see you tomorrow.